Welcome to our channel. The free application for federal student aid, FAFSA, is essential for accessing federal grants, loans, and work-study programs for college. Follow these step-by-step instructions to complete your 2026 to 2027 FAFSA application. Step 1. Create an FSA ID at studentaid.gov if you don't already have one. Both students and parents need separate FSA IDs to electronically sign the FAFSA. Step 2. Gather required documents including Social Security numbers, driver's license numbers, federal tax returns, W-2 forms, and records of untaxed income for both student and parents. Step 3. Visit FSA.gov and click Start Here to begin your application. Enter your personal information and FSA ID to create your account or log in. Step 4. Select the 2026 to 2027 award year and add schools you're interested in attending. You can list up to 10 colleges, and each will receive your FAFSA information. Step 5. Answer questions about your dependency status, citizenship, and household size. Most undergraduate students under 24 are considered dependent and must include parent information. Step 6. Complete the financial information section. The FAFSA uses the IRS data retrieval tool to automatically import tax information, making this section faster and more accurate. Step 7. Review all answers carefully before submitting. Both student and parent must sign electronically using their FSA IDs if the student is dependent. Step 8. Submit your FAFSA and save your confirmation page. You'll receive your student aid report within 3-5 days. Schools typically process financial aid offers 4-6 weeks after receiving your FAFSA. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.